Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch account on RedNote app. Okay, first, open the RedNote app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the RedNote app on the home page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see three lines that you will click on. Then, on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the settings option in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. By clicking on the settings option, a new page will open where you will also go down to the switch account option in the drop down menu and then click on it. The app will open the next page where you can see all your accounts yourself. Just click on a specific account and the app will automatically switch to that account, and there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.